Hi everyone. So in our last video, we have seen that how we can extract a schedule, Revit schedule into Excel data with the help of Dynamo. So right now in this video, we'll see that how we can use that view names that we have exported in Excel. I have deleted those families and types because I did not delete. I did not wanted that one. I just wanted the view names. Why? Because I wanted to put the same names views on the Revit sheet that will create in this video and will drag these views on those sheets as well. So right now, in Excel, first of all, we'll prepare what we need. First of all, for creating the sheets, we needed the sheet numbers, sheet names, and the views name, of course, so that we can extract those. Sorry, we can import those views on the sheets. So right now, what I'll do, I'll create a new tab right there. I'll give the name as sheet 2, rename and sheet, sorry, sheet 2. I have given the name. Now, right here, I'll create one column, sheet number, or I'll start with, yeah, that's fine, sheet number, and then sheet name, sheet name, and mouse. Yeah, I've created two columns and random numbers I'll give like A101, something like that. Okay. And for sheet names, I'll use the same names as the view names so that it'll create proper sheet name as well. We can change, we can create any names right there. But for clarification for this video, we'll use the name as sheet name, and we'll use the same what we can say views names as a view name because we want the views on the sheets as well. Right now for the sheet number, I'll randomly choose the sheet numbers are right there. So we have created three columns: sheet number, sheet name, and the views names. Okay, the views names are the important. Why? Because the actual name should be right there in the Revit. So that's why it's very important. Now I'll save this Excel. This is book 2 name. I have created a new one for that. Sorry. Now if I'll go and Revit and Dynamo, right now, first of all, we'll see that there is not any single sheet. We do not have. Okay. Now if I'll go in Dynamo, first of all, what we need to create sheet. So I'll search create sheet. So right there we can see some of the nodes, but I do not want that one, so I'll search by directly create, sorry, sheet. It's not working. It's, okay, no issues. We'll search by sheet only. After that, it'll come, I guess. So if I'll see, it's not coming. No issues. Create sheet by sheet number does not work. Why this is viewer mode? Okay, that's from the sheet special. So if it's not working, we'll go and Revit. We'll go and views. Let me see where it'll come. Yeah, sheets. Yeah, it's right there. Create sheet by number. So this will happen in viewer mode only. If you are working in actual Revit session, it will search right there. It'll come properly. So do not worry about that thing. I need to suffer for this one. And sometime I'll install proper Revit session in my system. After that, it'll be smooth. But in the meanwhile time, we can work in viewer mode only. So okay, no issues. Right there we needed approx four things. Okay, three things we already have: sheet name, sheet number, and views. We just need to fix that how we can go with it. So first of all, what we need is our import Excel data, correct? Because we have that Excel, so we need to import Excel. Right there, you can see. If I'll search by Excel, will it come? Sorry, Excel. It does not, but yeah, it will come now. So import Excel is right there. So now the input needed for this one, file, file path, and then it'll also ask for file from path. So we'll go with file from path as well. Now I'll connect the file with it, path with this one, and I'll give the path to book 2 that we have already created. Now the input we have given for the file sheet name, we have given sheet 2, as I know at the starting, right? We have given as sheet 2. We can double cross check if we have any issues. Yeah, that's sheet 2. Now if I'll connect with this one, of course I wanted to read as string, so I'll set true. And yeah, I want to see the Excel as well after running the Dynamo script. If you do not want to see that, you can click on false rather, so it'll be it'll not show after running the Dynamo script. Okay, so now if I run this one, we got whole data. Now we will transpose this one so that we'll get three different lists. Transpose. Yeah. So we'll get three different lists in terms of sheet number, sheet name, and the view name. Okay. Now I'll clear off some more space so that we can clearly run it properly. I'll move it aside. So right here we got three lists, list 0, 1, and 2. Okay, you can see list 0 and 1 below and 2 and again right there. So what I'll do, I'll create a code block. I'll type right here whatever you want, L something, but the index number should be correct. So L0 I wanted again, uh, L1 I wanted, and again L2 as well, L2. All three lists I wanted from right there separately. So I connected with this one. So the first one will be my sheet number, second one is my sheet name, and third one is my sorry, view name. Okay, so now if I want the sheet number, so what I'll do, I'll click on rest of items. So it will remove the header of like zero index numbers item from the list. So I know that zero index number is the title of that particular table. So sheet number I don't want. I just want the actual data. So I'll remove by this one list dot rest of item. Okay, so this is my, I can double click right there. I can add, I can write that this is my sheet number. Okay, now I'll copy this one, or you can create one more, whatever you want. This is my better view to create that one. This should be sheet name, of course, sheet name, and this should be view name, correct? View name, that's fine. Okay. So it should be connected with this one, it should be connected with this one. Now, if I'll run, it should be a little bit right there. If I'll run it, I can see these are my sheet numbers, these are my sheet names, and these are my views names. I can connect sheet number with the sheet number, sheet name with the sheet name, but rather you can see that it needed views, not the view name. So, but before that, yeah, I can click the family type rather so that we can add the third parameter value as well, like third input as well. So family type I have searched because the input is needed as family type, and right there I'll select the title block family A1 metric A1. So I'll select that one. I will add the title block. Now we have added three inputs right there. We are just one more step away from creating the sheets and dragging the views on those sheets. So what we'll do, we'll now first of all create some more space. Yeah, now I'll move it rather. First of all, we need all the views. Those are in the model. We'll compare the names and we'll filter it out. That's our strategy. Okay. So now I wanted to get all the views. So all views in the model. So let me see collector of views. Yeah, I guess that will help us. Yeah, that will help us. So all the views are right there. So what I want, these are the views. If I'll run it, so we can see that, yeah, these are the views, but I want the names of the views. So what I'll search for element dot name. Sorry, it should be, yeah, element dot name is rather. Did I click on that? Yeah. So all the views names I got it now. Now what I wanted to search for contain. There is one more node. String contains, but that will help for if you have or orchid package. Right now I do not have the orchid package. I just installed it, but I did not run that one. So I'll let you know about that one as well. It's not like that you just download it from download package and it'll work properly. No, it's not like that for only orchid thing. So I'll cover this one in some of my next videos. But right now, accept the orchid if you want to go above than that, like how you can search some strings. So what you can do, you can search for contains, and right there we have some. There are two different things. First one is this one, but I will go with the contains. Sorry, the second one. I'll go with this one. Right there, we can see maybe it'll work or not. Not sure about the thing, but let's see. How it'll work. So I'll go with the string rather because these are the total strings and these the view names are I want to search. And now if I'll run it, yeah, I have run it, but it did not work. Correct? Because all the names are false as per it. So what I do now, there is one more node that we have that is contains, maybe it will help us. Let me check. No, this will not work. View name, something like that. Contains string. Okay, what is that one? Geometry contains, should be from Webmorph. Contains Vim. That is the problem with the. Okay, let me see what it is. Yeah, this will work. This is from Orchid package. Sorry, yeah, it's from Archilab package. Sorry, this will work for us right there. We can see that It needed the string list, and this will needed as filter list, and this then boolean mask we can apply after that. But if your orchid package, that will be best for us. But right now we'll go with it only because that will work for us. So I'll connect with the string list with this one. I wanted to search for these one, and now I wanted to apply the mask filter by boolean mask so that we can filter it out that which one is best for us. In the list what I wanted of the elements, so the elements are right there. So if I'll move it a little bit right there, I'll move it right there. Yeah. So now it's fine. It's fine. So what we have done, we have uh, we have used this node. We have used this node collector of views, and then we have checked the names of all the views. Then we have given the list of all the views, and we have filtered the views that we want actually, and then we have applied the filter mask that I want to get the actual names that filter list I have given. So we have got all the views from Revit to Dynamo. Those are the sorry, those are the views that actually we want to be imported on the sheets. So if I'll run this Dynamo script, before that I'll apply a watch node so that we can see what's happening right there. Yeah, right there. If I'll apply watch node and run it, yeah, all the levels are right there. Oh, sorry, all the 14 uh, plan views are right there, 7 ceiling plans and 7 floor plans are right there. So, what I want is just will connect with this one with the views. Why? Because these are the views, those I've wanted. Now we applied the sheet number, sheet name, title block family, and the views. If I'll run it, first of all, we'll see and that uh, because there's nothing that we can, sorry, if there's nothing, the view will not be dragged on the sheet. So for that one, I'll create some random things. I'll create a duct right there, maybe. For level 2, is there anything? Yeah, this will help us. At least it will create the boundary. Level 3, yeah, the duct is right there. Okay, level 4, 5, yeah, correct. Those symbols are right there. It means at least it will create the boundary, okay? So for now, I'll again cross check that should not be any sheet. Yeah, it's not any sheet. If I'll run the Dynamo, run it. Let me see what happens. Yeah, it has run. 14 sheets are already created as per the Dynamo. We just need to confirm from Revit itself. I'll click on this icon, and right here we can see the 14 sheets. But we'll cross check the views are properly aligned or not. We know that we did not created any element in all the views, but at least we can cross check with the name itself. So right here for level 1 ceiling plan, the plan view is also the level 1 ceiling plan. Parallelly we can check it out for all the levels. So that is how we have created the sheets, given the sheet name, sheet numbers, drag the views on those sheets properly, and we have created all that set, man. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. In our next video, we'll see. I'm not sure what we'll go to cover, but yeah, we'll discuss on that one. So let's meet in my next video. Thanks a lot, guys.